picture story.
Hey, Jill!
Hi, Cash.
Look! There is a cow, a pig, a duck, a chicken, and a horse.
They are all farm animals.
You are right.
I want to play with them.
Okay, let's play.
I want to hold a chicken.
Chickens are small. You can hold a chicken.
Oh no! The chicken is fast. I can't hold the chicken.
Look! There is a pig. Is the pig slow?
I don't know. I will try to hold the pig. Oh no! The pig is fast. I can't hold the pig.
Look! There is a cow. I know that cows are slow. You can hold the cow.
Cash, that's silly. Cows are slow, but they are big. I can't hold the cow.
Ah, Jill, you are right. Cows are slow, but they are big. You can feed the cow.
Good idea. Let's feed the cow.
Hooray!